Today we're gonna make drunken watermelon. Some people really love it, and some people find it inedible or undrinkable. It's really simply watermelon and vodka. So watermelons in the US are getting more and more difficult to find a really good watermelon, you may have noticed. We tried growing them. David's still trying to grow them. Buying a watermelon. The little ones are good, but they're not as tasty. The one thing you want to look for is there must be a yellow spot on the watermelon. Now, if you're growing watermelons, this is on the ground. If it doesn't have this, it's not ripe. Now, does it really matter if your watermelon is ripe if you're shoving a fifth of vodka into it? I don't think so. Now, basically you can do this two ways. You can jam a hole in the watermelon and turn this upside down and leave it in the sink. And very, very slowly, the liquid will go down. So I'm just gonna cut a hole in this watermelon. I can actually see if it's a good watermelon. Wow, that's a good watermelon. If you want, you can use this to stopper this if anybody has a refrigerator big enough to put this in, like that. So you can do this, but then it has to go in the sink. So you can do it the slow way, which is like this. It's slowly going down. It'll take you a long time. I prefer jamming the bottle in because then you can just leave it if you prop the bottle in the sink. So you want to basically put at least half of this fifth in here. I wouldn't sit there all day pouring it into a funnel. Of course, you can get one of the children to do it. I'm cutting out the shape of the cap, roughly. All right, I'm gonna go to the sink. Oh, I see vodka's pouring out of it. Okay, here we go. You're gonna lose some vodka here because I'm gonna jam this in, it's gonna spill. So what you're gonna do is this. Right, okay. Good luck. Good luck, little watermelon. So it'll go down, but it takes about 4 hours. See the bubble, the little bubble that just went? Hilarious. All right, there you go, drunken watermelon. This absorbed about half a bottle, but it took about 4.5, 5 hours. Basically what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut this in half, and I'm gonna scoop out balls of drunken watermelon, put them in a glass with some Perrier. Oh yeah! So I'm gonna try one. It should taste strongly of liquor. If it doesn't or it ran out in some way, you can always add liquor. I'm now going to add a little bit of dark Morello cherry and pomegranate Pellegrino. A delightful summer treat. Cheers. It's really good. Ooh, the dark cherry goes really well with the watermelon. And then you can, they can let them go into their mouths while they're drinking it. Or they can just eat them at the end, but they're soaked in vodka, watermelon, fresh, delightful, delicious. Drunken watermelon. It's really simply watermelon and vodka.